Your bedroom is your personal sanctuary, a place where you find solace and inspiration. This year, let your wardrobe be more than just a storage solution. Let it be a centerpiece of elegance, functionality, and personal style. Join us as we explore the best bedroom wardrobe designs for 2024 and discover how a modern cupboard can elevate your space into a haven of tranquility and grace. Join me on this journey by hitting that subscribe button. Your support fuels my passion and allows me to keep creating and sharing the things we love. Together, let's make every moment count. 1. Sleek minimalism. Embrace the beauty of sleek minimalism. Picture a wardrobe with clean lines, hidden handles, and a matte finish. It's a design that whispers sophistication and offers a calm retreat from the chaos of everyday life. 2. Customizable interiors. Imagine a wardrobe that adapts to your needs with customizable interiors, adjustable shelves, pull-out drawers, and built-in organizers. It's a space designed for your unique lifestyle, making every morning feel effortlessly organized. 3. Floor-to-ceiling elegance. Floor-to-ceiling wardrobes create a sense of grandeur and spaciousness. Visualize a seamless integration with your walls, offering abundant storage while making your room feel more expansive and open. 4. Mirrored fronts for light and space. Mirrored wardrobe fronts can transform your bedroom. They reflect light, making your space feel brighter and larger. Picture the elegance of a room bathed in natural light, with every glance at your wardrobe revealing a touch of glamour. 5. Sliding doors for seamless access. Opt for sliding doors to save space and enhance accessibility. Imagine the smooth glide of doors opening to reveal a perfectly organized interior, making every outfit selection a pleasure rather than a chore. 6. Integrated lighting. Integrated lighting within your wardrobe adds a touch of luxury. Imagine stepping inside and being greeted by soft, warm lights that illuminate your clothing and accessories, turning every choice into a moment of joy. 7. Statement colors and finishes. Dare to be bold with statement colors and finishes. Whether it's a rich navy blue, a warm walnut, or a sophisticated matte black, let your wardrobe's exterior reflect your personality and elevate your room's ambience. 8. Glass panels for a touch of glamour. Glass panels can add a modern touch of glamour. Picture your favorite outfits displayed like works of art, each piece a reflection of your unique style and taste. 9. Open concept wardrobes. An open concept wardrobe allows you to display your most cherished pieces. Imagine a space where every garment is a part of your room's decor, making your wardrobe not just functional, but an integral part of your home's aesthetic. 10. Built-in bench seating. Include built-in bench seating as part of your wardrobe design. Imagine having a cozy spot to sit and prepare for your day, making your wardrobe not just a place to store clothes, but a retreat for your daily rituals. 11. Smart wardrobe solutions. Smart wardrobes offer advanced features like touchscreen controls and automated lighting. Envision a wardrobe that responds to your touch, bringing the future into your everyday routine and adding a touch of high-tech luxury to your space. 12. Textured panels for depth. Textured panels can add depth and visual interest to your wardrobe. Picture a subtle yet striking texture that catches the light and draws the eye, making your wardrobe a standout feature in your room. 13. Concealed compartments for a clean look. Concealed compartments maintain a clean and uncluttered look. Imagine every item perfectly hidden away, creating a serene and orderly space that feels like a personal retreat. 14. Multifunctional units. Multifunctional wardrobes that combine storage with additional features like a built-in desk or vanity. Picture a wardrobe that evolves with your needs, providing not just storage, but a versatile space for your everyday activities. 15. Elegant wood finishes. Elegant wood finishes bring warmth and timeless charm to your wardrobe. Imagine the natural beauty of wood complementing your space, creating an inviting and sophisticated atmosphere. 16. Modern metallic accents. Modern metallic accents can add a touch of contemporary flair. Picture sleek metal handles or accents that catch the light and provide a sophisticated edge to your wardrobe design. 17. Soft close mechanisms for quiet elegance. Soft close mechanisms ensure every door and drawer closes quietly and smoothly. Imagine the gentle hush of your wardrobe, where every movement feels deliberate and refined. 18. Built-in jewelry and accessory drawers. Built-in drawers for jewelry and accessories Make your wardrobe a haven for your prized possessions. Picture every piece beautifully organized and easily accessible, turning your wardrobe into a display of your most cherished items. 19. Neutral tones for serenity. Neutral tones create a serene and calming environment. Imagine a wardrobe in soft grays, beiges, or whites that blends seamlessly with your room, providing a tranquil backdrop for your daily routines. 20. Personalized touches. Add personalized touches to make your wardrobe truly yours. Whether it's custom handles, unique storage solutions, or a color that speaks to you, let your wardrobe be a reflection of your personality and a place where you feel truly at home.